Welcome, YouTube lovers! It's finally here! The all-new Stable Diffusion 3 and how it squares up against its competitor, the Midjourney VSIX. This is a tech power comparison that's been long awaited. In this video, we will be comparing two of the biggest breakthroughs in the artificial intelligence sphere, Stable Diffusion 3 by Stability AI and Midjourney VSIX. Stable Diffusion 3, or as we like to call it, SD3, has been brewing for over a year and the wait is worth it. This new kid on the block has three major abilities that sets it apart. Firstly, it renders text on the hook. Secondly, it prompts multiple topics directly. And last, but not least, the improvement in image quality is undeniable. SD3 vs Midjourney V6. Now, let's take a closer look at some images from official sources to see how SD3 performs. Media Manager of Stability AI has showcased some impressive images. The standout feature has to be the text effect. It's so clear and adaptable. Check out these images. However, it's only fair to test Midjourney V6 similarly. We used the prompt "Red apple on a table in a classroom," with the words "Go big or go home" written on the blackboard in chalk. From this comparison, it seems SD3 outshines Midjourney V6 in terms of quality, color coordination, and more. On the other hand, the goal with Midjourney V6 is to create a versatile tool that can support a vast array of applications in the academic world, primarily pertaining to biology imagery. Midjourney V6 shares some core technologies with SD3, like text rendering, but it also incorporates its unique features such as multi-subject prompting and advanced image quality enhancement. In conclusion, both Stable Diffusion 3 and Midjourney V6 bring unique elements to the table in terms of their technical frameworks. SD3 impresses with its new paradigm of model generation, whereas Midjourney V6 delivers the versatility required in academic applications. Despite their shared features, each stands out in catering to specific user needs. So there you have it, techies. As of now, SD3 is leading the game. But let's not forget, the field is constantly evolving. Let's stay tuned for what Midjourney has to offer in its next version. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more tech comparisons. Until next time, this is your tech buddy, signing off.